Yes guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're not actually going to be modifying the Polo GCI, we're in fact going to be modifying my dad's MK3 Audi TT. Now he's been banging on about how he doesn't like the unfinished brake calipers on his car. So what I have here is an E-Tech brake caliper paint kit in red. Let's get right to painting my dad's calipers.
So guys, the audio did cut out here on the mic for some reason, but basically all I was saying is give them a good clean, go around with all the wire brushes that you might need and a good amount of brake cleaner. Just make sure you get a lot of that surface corrosion off before you start actually painting the calipers. Quick little update, and sorry I don't have the DJI mic attached right now, but yeah, first coat on the caliper. It is a bit of a pain to not get it on stuff. You're probably best taking these all apart and painting them properly, but don't have the time for that right now. We will give them a touch up at a later date. But yeah, looking pretty nice on the TT just there. It's definitely a pop of colour that the car didn't have. I'm just about to move on to the back, so yeah, clean them up and let's get started.
Right, so I've done the first coat in the back as well. Again, quite difficult to get to all the places, so definitely need to take it all apart at some point, but looking way better, guys. It's like absolutely night and day difference when you paint your calipers. Massive change to the car, but yeah, that's the first coat on. I probably won't film the second coat just because it's just more of the same, but I will give you a finished product of the calipers being painted. I'm pretty happy with them so far, you know. I'm thinking that's a really good look for the TT, and obviously, like father like son, red calipers on both cars has to be done. And whenever you take your wheels off, guys, it's the best opportunity. Wheels a deep clean. Dad being the same as me, or me being the same as my dad, should I say, he's taken that exact opportunity. He has cleaned the hell out of his TT wheels. Done the inside. I've just stepped in dog poo. How nice is that? But yeah, it's cleaned the inside of the alloys, behind the spokes and everything, giving it a proper detail, so they're going to look extra good when they go back on the car. So I'll actually finish this side now, little sneak peek there, and just finishing off the passenger side as well. It's looking really good, guys. I'm really happy with this. It's properly scratched the itch for me doing some mods. And on my dad's car, nice little improvement as well. Looking good parked next to each other, but what I'll do, sorry about the wind noise, I'll get this finished up and then I'll give you some cinematics right at the end. So guys, the car is all finished. Let me give you a little tour around. So as you can see, red brake calipers looking incredible against the grey paintwork as well. We were a little bit torn between red and yellow because we thought, oh, we'll go for like a grey and yellow theme, but actually we thought S-Line badges are in red. Red is kind of just a sporty colour in general. But yeah, it's looking nice. It has a really great pop of colour on the car. I'll show you the other side as well. We are going to actually go through the whole car and take apart the calipers at some point and do them really at a professional level, but as you can see, it was kind of like a quick once-over job, but they do look a lot better for it, and yeah, the car's looking incredible. So I'm going to try and do a couple cinematic shots for you now at the end, I think. But yeah, really happy with how it turned out. It does not pick up as well on camera, but I think my dad's pretty happy with the finished product. A few more bits for the Audi TT to come in the future, but not for a while. But here and there, I'll probably just do a couple little upgrades, and yeah, it's looking incredible. Actually, I'm really happy with it. I'm going to do a point of view drive for the TT actually, probably a daytime one and a nighttime one as well. But yeah, for now guys, thank you very much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you did enjoy the video, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.